Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel Math Solutions by AK. Through this channel, I'll be trying to teach you the problems related to your mathematics, that is from 6th to 10th class mathematics in a very easy method so that you can understand and you can write your exams well and you can score a good, very good marks. So all the best for you all. And for the time being now, I'm going to take the class related to 10th class, that is chapter 1. Okay, the concept is real numbers. So from real numbers you are going to deal with a concept Euclid's division lemma. So when you listen to this Euclid's division lemma, all the students will be thinking it is a new topic for you, and as if it is introduced new to you. So don't think that it is a new concept for you. It is a quite very old concept only. So that is your division algorithm. From your primary classes you might have learned about your division. That is, if you are given some two numbers, you'll be dividing by putting one number here x and putting one number here. You'll be getting a quotient here and you'll be getting a remainder here. Okay, so this concept itself will be writing that algorithm as dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is, when you are taking two numbers x and y, with x you are dividing y here. That is, your y is a dividend, that is, and whatever your number you are dividing with, that is x, is a divisor. The answer you get is quotient plus remainder is taken as r. So the same thing Euclid's division lemma will be conveying you. Okay, so what is Euclid's division lemma? So if a and b are two integers, two positive integers, so there exist q and r such that, or satisfying, we call it satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where your remainder r lies between 0 and your quotient. This is a concept here. Euclid's division lemma is saying this: a is equal to bq plus r. So that is, this is an equation you need to remember. And this equation is quite similar to your old concept, that is your division algorithm. That is, y is equal to x cube plus r, whatever you have obtained here. That is, a and b are two numbers here. A and b are two numbers. And when you are dividing a and b, what you are getting? We are dividing a with number b. The answer you get is q. Okay, whatever you are left over with will remainder r. So that is, dividend a is equal to divisor into quotient b into q plus remainder. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is, a is equal to bq plus r. That itself is your Euclid's division lemma. That is, Euclid's algorithm is nothing but a quite old concept which you have learned in your primary classes. So don't think that it is a newly introduced concept. Okay, just you remember a is equal to bq plus r, and your remainder will be in between your 0 and your quotient. Okay, so by using this concept, let us try to solve one example related to your exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. The question is, in your first section, the question will be, find HCF of 900 and 270. 900 and 270. So with 270, you divide 900. So 27 into 3, you will get 81. So 270 into 3 will be your 810. so into 3 times, so you are getting 810, and you will be left over with 90. Now with this, now 90, you divide this 270. Again 9 goes 3 times, 27. So you approached the zero, remainder 0 here. So now the divisor at this stage, that is 90, is taken as your HCF. So using this, means this is your solution. Now how to write this using your Euclid's division lemma? That is, A is equal to BQ plus R is already known to you. So what is your A? Now 900 is divided with 270. So with 270, which we are dividing 270 into 3, you are getting, and remainder is left over 90 plus 90. So A is your divisor, A is your dividend, B is your divisor 270, and remainder is 9. Okay, and quotient is 3. So 3 times 270 into 3, you are getting 90. Now this 270 is your dividend. Now 270 you divide with this remainder, so 90. Okay, with 90 you are dividing 270. So that is 90 into 3 gives you 270. That is 90 into 3, and the remainder here is 0. So now you approached the remainder. Here 90 is your remainder. That means still the process is continued. Okay, now here at this stage 0 is approached, that is remainder 0 is approached. So the divisor here, that is HCF at this stage, whatever the divisor you have, that is HCF of 270 and 900 is 90 is your conclusion now. Okay, so this is a concept, that is A is equal to BQ plus R is your Euclid's division lemma, and how to use it, but finding the HCF of two numbers, okay, is this method. I hope you understood this method. Okay, and if you have any doubts related to any problems of any other chapters also, just suggest me in your comment section, so that I can solve that problems in the further classes. So thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.